On December 24, they heard the screams from inside and ran straight into the fire. Watch the body cam footage that shows true heroism.
Children trapped up there.
Two children trapped inside.
How many in there? How many are in there?
There's a kid and
2 people inside, flames, smoke. In the apartments all the way to the very end on the right. What do we got, sir? Where are they at?
There's a girl and a kid upstairs, sir.
They're trapped upstairs?
No, they're up there.
Well, who's up there with them?
Their mama. You heard the kid calling?
Pardon?
There's a kid. It's 2 kids. Oh my God, bro.
2 children trapped up there.
2 children trapped inside.
Upstairs.
Officer, don't go in there. No. Please don't go in there.
Wow.
Command 1 copies.
Officer, don't go in there.
Where are the flames?
Stole.
Pretty smoke-filled.
Amanda!
Here, sir.
Amanda!
Sir, which way's the staircase upstairs?
You go upstairs, you gotta go up. You go up.
Which way is the stairs?
Okay. If you go upstairs, right?
Lennox 1's pulling the apartments.
You have to go up.
Yeah.
Go left.
Up where?
Okay. So go up, and then you gotta go left.
This way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You were able to water the children out.
Negative, they're upstairs. The flames are starting up again that I extinguished.
Dispatch copies.
Here, sir, let me in there. Let me try and get those flames. Here, back up.
Okay.
Fire department's coming, sir.
Amanda!
Any you guys got a ladder? Any you guys got a ladder? Something I can get upstairs? I got the flames out.
Flames?
I got them out, Jason. They started up. Yeah, I just put them out again. Jason. They were to the left. I just extinguished them.
There's still heat coming in from in here.
Yeah, it's hot in there. But it's so thick you can't see.
Hello?
Well, they're not saying
Can't get
nothing.
down. Yeah. Oh, they're starting up. They're starting up again. Or to the left. Look in the window.
Amanda!
Here, I got it for you.
Sure, it's taking a long time to get here.
UAV Haven, any updates?
I just put the flames out for a third time. I still can't gain access.
Is that a ladder around here anywhere?
No.
Ladder anywhere? No. Jerry, where you at?
I'm coming out.
How if I...
Oh. No, it's bad.
We need to... I need
to get up there.
I need to get on top of this thing. So where's the ladder at? You need a ladder anywhere. Yeah.
Cliff, we can't get in there because of the smoke. Huh? We can't get. Oh, get the dog. Oh. That's mine.
Wow.
Where was he at?
Oh, flames are coming.
I'm sure Macomb 5 hours in Haven.
Yeah.
Need another one?
You might. Depends how quick fire gets up.
There, Cliff.
No, it's starting up again, Jason. Mine's about empty. I'm about. Yeah, 2 upstairs. Come on out, the fire guys here.
Stairs are right to the right.
Hey, student. Hey. Go upstairs, go to left, go straight in.
New Haven Fire's on their way in now with breathing apparatus.
10-4.
No, that's okay.
Everybody out?
Kids are in.
Girl and 2 girls. A woman and 2 daughters.
Still upstairs?
Yes. It's the wrong way there.
First story, second story?
Second story.
Okay, there, this window then. I just gotta get up there. Where is their room?
Well, that's what we've been trying to do.
Right there?
Yeah. Soon as you
that
go
one there?
upstairs, yeah. As soon as you go upstairs, it's straight ahead. Okay. It's the room. Oh, it's right here.
Hey, when you guys go in, guys, the fire is to the left. No, downstairs. To the left, just inside the doorway.
Yeah, it's starting up again.
In this room right here?
Yeah, starting up again.
Back window. They said that fire's to the left, first floor.
You can see it right there.
Hey! Hey, you got the room in the back? The back. They said he's in the back. They got him? Right in the back window.
Right here.
Right there. Off your right.
I'll tell you right. It's right here. It's the room right here.
Hey, McGuffin! Chase him up! He's up the stairs, Chuck! You have any trouble, you fucking call me. Let's get this moving. Too much fucking waste of time. I need an axe, let's go!
Let's go. Come on. Here, Jerry.
got you. Right at the window. Stay alive. Come on. I'm out here at the window. Bring him out. Come on. Hey, no, your house is on fire. Let's go. Come on. Come on. I'm behind you. You got one? Come on. Step to the window. Come on. Up to the window. Up to the window. UAM dispatch, one child's out. There's still one child in there. All right, I'm trying to help.
One child out.
How many kids?
Man, one extra family.
I got one out. You got one out.
There's one more kid, one more adult. One adult, one kid.
There's another adult.
One adult. Yeah. Her, one more kid. It's a little baby.
All right. Pittsburgh. Yep.
Upstairs. Where are the babies in?
You get one more carrier down. Walk down the ladder. At least I got her on the roof. I heard a baby crying. Man, I'm not. She's crying high. She's on the first door. Look at me. On the left. Right the top of the stairs.
She's totally out of it. Okay. No, stop it. Get easy.
Hey. Put her long ways on the ladder, and you bring her down.
That's what we're trying to do.
Okay. Come on. Get on the ladder. I need somebody to go in there and help this person.
You got her. I got her. That's what we're trying to do. I got her. Okay, we're trying to get the kid. You got her?
Yeah, I got her.
Hey, she ain't going nowhere.
Come on.
All right, bring the baby. Hey, how many kids?
New Haven dispatch. We got one adult female out. There's still one baby.
One adult female out of the home. Still one child.
Man, one's 10-1 one.
Baby's out.
That subject out of the home.
You got her?
Yep. It's okay, sweetie. We got you. We got you, sweetie. We got you. We got you, sweetie. We got you. We got you. Where do you want her? Where do you want her? Okay, stop right there. We got you, baby. You okay? You okay, baby? Come on. Stay with me.
Man, one extra New Haven one.
New Haven. Stay with me.
That's confirmed. All 3 occupants. Only 3 occupants in the house. They're all out.
Per the mail outside, correct.
Cancel.
What do you need? Go get the peds box.
Come on, baby. Come on.
She's breathing. She's breathing. Hi.
Come on.
Hi.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stay with us.
Is there another ambulance?
Hey, do we have another ambulance?
Do we need him 300?
Yes.
New Haven dispatch. We need an ambulance 300 for the baby.
Oh, baby, she's responding.
Okay, there should be 2 on scene. You need a third rig?
Affirmative.
Can you open your eyes for me, hon?
Let's get her to the truck and get her ready to rock, okay?
All right.
You want me to go?
You're okay, baby. You're okay, mommy. You're okay.
You're okay, sweetheart.
Yeah, my truck's that way. Oh, there's time.
Command 1 testing en route to New Haven.
On the way.
Traffic 2's on drive over.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hi.
Main 1 test, we're 10 en route to New Haven.
Hi.
You're on the way.
Some pretty eyes. Good job, man. You all right, Cliff?
1096 male on Amber.
I'm all right. I'm okay. No, I'm okay.
Take a couple of deep rocks. Take a couple good.
That's the way. On it.
Okay.
Man, it was smoky in there. You all right, bud?
Pump checked off it.
The baby okay?
Yeah, we got a response, Cliff.
So,
I had the pump on her chest. I didn't want to.
No, we got her, man. She's good.